Hello students, welcome to Top Scholars. We all know how our Earth's environment is rapidly changing. Today, let's learn about something that helps us in conserving genetic diversity, biosphere reserves. We will be knowing about the smallest and the largest biosphere reserves in India. So, let's begin. We need to first understand what biosphere reserves are. A biosphere reserve is a designated area that serves to protect biodiversity while promoting sustainable development. These reserves are recognized under UNESCO's Man and Biosphere MAB program. They are established to conserve the diversity of plants, animals, and ecosystems alongside promoting research, education, and sustainable use of natural resources. Biosphere reserves are typically divided into three zones. Number 1, core zone, a strictly protected area that preserves landscapes, ecosystems, species, and genetic diversity. Second, buffer zone, surrounds the core zone where activities are regulated to support conservation while allowing for some human activity like research, education, and tourism. And third one is transition zone. This is the outermost area where sustainable economic activities are encouraged, such as agriculture, settlements, and resource extraction with community involvement. There are a total of 18 biosphere reserves in India. Let's know about two of them based on their area. One is the smallest biosphere reserves of India, the Dibru-Saikhowa Biosphere Reserve. And the second one is the largest biosphere reserve in India, the Gulf of Kutch, Gujarat. Let's know some basic details about them. Dibru-Saikhowa Biosphere Reserve is located in Dibrugarh and Tinsukia districts of Assam. It is the smallest biosphere reserve in India and it covers just an area of approximately 765 square kilometers. It is located in the floodplains of the Brahmaputra and Lohit rivers. It is renowned for its rich biodiversity. The reserve has a unique landscape. It comprises a mix of wetlands, grasslands, and tropical forest. It is a habitat for species like the Bengal tiger, Hoolock gibbon, and white-winged wood duck. It is also home to the famous feral horses, which are one of its distinctive features. This biosphere reserve is also a significant area for bird watching with over 500 bird species recorded. Now, let's know about the largest biosphere reserve. The Kutch area of India is in Gujarat. It comprises a vast salt marsh. It was designated as a biosphere reserve in 2008 by the government. This was done to protect it as well as promote it as an international nature destination. The Kutch Biosphere Reserve has an area of more than 12,500 square kilometers. The reserve includes a variety of landscapes such as saline deserts, grasslands, wetlands, and mangrove forest, making it a biodiversity hotspot. It is home to several endangered species including the Indian wild ass, the Asiatic lion, and various migratory birds like flamingos and pelicans. The reserve is especially famous for the wild ass sanctuary, which protects the last remaining population of the Indian wild ass. Apart from the flora and the fauna, this region is also rich in cultural heritage. It has a significant presence of indigenous communities that have adapted to the harsh desert environment and maintain traditional lifestyles. With this, we have come to the end of this topic. Let's look at some questions now. Question 1. When did India get its first biosphere reserve? Question 2. How many zones are there in a biosphere reserve? Question 3. Who nominated Biosphere Reserve to UNESCO? Question 4. Which is the newest biosphere reserve in India? I hope you enjoyed the session and learned something new. Thank you and happy learning!